So,
Hello everyone,
hello everyone. My name is Jugal and he is my friend.
Mohit.
So today we are on a random place. Our audience is random. We don't know they are looking as us, looking on us, and they are doing etc. things. But today we took a topic about traveling experience and how mental health is related to traveling. Yes, mental health is a big role plays a big role for our life. If our mental health is not good, so we cannot live properly, like businessmen and etc. big people who are suffering from not good mental health. So we are going to talk about that, and also we are going to talk about the mental health, how mental health can be cured with the help of traveling. So let's start from me. In the mental health we have, like suppose most of the businessmen and the people who are in the stress, what do they do when they are in stress and do etc. things? They usually go on a place like India Gate, like on the beaches, like on the Maldives and etc. place that you can think. They go there. Yes, they usually go there to reduce their stress on that place, and in the mental health situation it make our mental health better. That's why we most of the businessmen are able to live with the because of the traveling. Thank you.
And according to my point of view, it's a very great way to enhance yourself in the bad mental health situation to the good mental health situation. In which type of situation, for example, that you are suffering with the most of the stress, depression, anxiety type of thing. So if you are traveling thing, observing things, learning new things, experiencing new things, so it will be go or it will impact very highly on your mental health. According to my point of view, this is a very great way to enhance your every skills traveling. Everything is connected with the travelings. How? For example, that I said that if you have a depression type of things, let's take the example of our daily life as a student. The now students have a pressure, stress, they have a depression of that. They have a pressure of their study, but now they are also doing this kind of work. They are spending their full of time in the work, doing the work for the preparation of the exams, for the test. So how can they relieve their mind, the energy which they already lost in their exam preparation? How they can reduce that? By the traveling only, because in the traveling everything is beautiful. And you might have observed, what's your favorite place? Comment me. Thank you.
So I wanted to also share some points like Mohit told about the student. In the student situation, we can see even the school are helping for our mental health. Most of the people who are suffering from stress of homework, exam, like in the recently in the August, I went in a picnic in Rashtrapati Bhavan. My teachers and my friends went with that, and also I reduced my stress with that. Also, the school knows that the traveling can reduce our mental stress, or it can improve our mental health. And talking about other things, in the year, the 2 times or 3 times the school take us on a picnic to reduce our stress and more thing. And if you are an adult, so you should often go on a traveling like picnic and etc. thing, road trip and many so on things you can go in the traveling, which can remove and which can reduce your mental health, which can reduce your mental stress, and also it will improve your mental health to work properly. Thank you for listening. This side Yugal and
मैं ही
Mohit.
बोलूंगा, मैं ही बोलूंगा. Yes. So according to my point of view, you might have here that the people say that the best way to relieve yourself, that is mindfulness, do mindfulness yoga exercise. Yes, it is. But the traveling is also one of the way to attract you to relieve your all of the stress that now you are suffering, to reduce your new mindset. For example, the in the daily life we saw the many things. For example, that persons are walking on a road, cars are going on, this kind of the activities we show in our everyday. But what is the different thing? The traveling is a different thing which can be give a new experience. You will explore the new things that you haven't observed in your past, in the previous. So this side Mohit, thank you for listening. Subscribe, comment. Thank you.
Bye.